I've got my sunglasses on inside. And here we go.
Oh, he's burned.
Well, there's the damper for you. Just how we like it.
Crispy.
Crispy. Good afternoon. Look at this. We had a rain shower while we're getting set up. But we're at Ekerts Old Farm, which is a really old property here, about 30 minutes from Burra. Tiny little town, Richardson. I think it's about 10 minutes away. So here we are, camped with the Gator and the D-Max. Rural property. It's a stud farm, merino sheep. It's about all I know about them. They go good with rosemary and that's it. What are we doing here? Well, how's this for a stitch up? This is our home base for 3 days. How nice is that? Got a little 1-bedroom heritage old stone cottage. It's really lovely. We've met the owner. They live up on top of the hill. Big tower there, that's the shower. Here I am. Oh look, there you go. Lighten up. Beautiful old cottage. It's absolutely fantastic. We're in the kitchen. There's some wee lights, 12-volt lights. No fridge, no cooker. That's about it. We've got a big open fire with all the gear that we need. Wee bedroom. So it's a cot, single and a double. And we'll put some more photos of that in for you. But it's really cute. Really, really cute. But here we go. What do you think, Leanne?
Oh, I think it's wonderful.
So
peaceful.
It is nice, isn't it? There you go. A quick spin around. There's the Gator X. Going like a charm, as is the D-Max. And we're going to enjoy a really lovely sunset. Put some gummies on it. Yep, and pots and pans and oh look, there's all things. Oh, there's another toaster rack and one of the braai baskets and jaffle irons everywhere. Just what we need.
So that's the old meat safe is now the pantry.
I would believe so, yeah. Really cool property.
It's a way to go back and live like in the old days they used to, because they've only got cold running water and they've got to sell the shower and things like that, but you cook over fire or gas or barbecue. There's 3 options.
Yeah, for barbecue.
But it's really cool just to sit and watch the world go by. You know, we've watched the birds and
if you
the
want
creatures.
light a candle to find the firelighters. So learned lots of lessons, but it's really good. It's set in this lovely valley.
And you're so close to Clare and Blythe and the valleys and the vineyards. You know, you're far enough away, but you're also close enough. You're only a 20-minute drive.
Yeah, we really rate it. It's one of our favourite campsites. They only allow one party on there. There's plenty of room for rolling out swags, rent out the house, and you could probably get a few more peeps there. The damper was a bit of a no bueno. It's a little black, but we like it black. The camp oven we think has done okay. We're going to check it. We'll eat the meat that we can eat, and if it's raw, I'll just bung it back in because I've got plenty of coals. But the vegetables are soft, so we'll see how we go. See if you want. The big reveal. Oh, good beauty.
So how did the roast come out?
The roast came out for our first go really good. Bit too much heat on the top, but that gave us some nice black crunchy bits, and the rosemary and the garlic went right through it. It was nicely seasoned. The vegetables were soft and some had a little bit of burn on it. You're cooking over a fire, it's not an exact science. That was good. I really enjoyed it. It's nice to go back and get an appreciation for how people used to live and the simplicity of it all. We cooked some great meals, we think, over the open fire on a griddle plate, and then we used the camp oven. We'd never used a camp oven before. We turned out a pretty decent roast lamb, I think.
Well, I think so too.
Which was nice. We didn't do so well with our damper. And you can be rolling around the Clare Valley and everything that this beautiful part of the world has to offer. So there's all the wineries, there's the coffee shops, there's the bars, there's the quaint country hotels. Really, really lovely. We're quite in love with this place. Good morning.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet.
No, we woke up at 4, dozed till 4:30 and thought, time for coffee and get a few things done. Got a bit of a run today. Unfortunately, we're leaving Emu Plains in the Clare Valley, South Australia, and we've had 3 fantastic nights at Ekerts Old Place. But that's it, we're heading today towards
Burra, South Australia for morning coffee and cake.
Yeah,
and we're going to have a little break there, and then we're going on to near Wentworth in New South Wales.
Cross between the river, Murray.
Yes.
Here's the border between New South Wales and Victoria, and we're in the New South Wales side for 2 nights, staying at a caravan park so we can get our laundry done, get our internet, get our social media. Lee still works, as you know. Get that all done, chill out for the afternoon.
Hope you enjoyed our visit to the Clare Valley and Ekerts Old Place as much as we did. Please subscribe, like and hit the notification button. Leave us a message if you wish. We love to receive them. Until next time, take care.